Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil BMW 2 Series, updated. Lift the car safely, drain the old oil, replace the oil filter, and refill to the correct capacity with OEM-grade oil. Work calmly and keep a clean work area to avoid contamination. Recycle used oil responsibly at a local facility or parts store. Follow torque specs for the drain plug and oil filter to prevent leaks and ensure a proper seal. Start with a warm engine for better oil flow, then safely lift and support the car. Place a drain pan under the oil sump, remove the drain plug, and let the oil empty completely. While draining, remove the oil filter and inspect it for metal particles or contamination. Clean the drain area, replace the drain plug gasket if worn, and hand tighten before final torque to the manufacturer's spec to avoid stripping. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. That really helps us make more content. Quick recommendation. The product seen here makes meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, which are great for tidy garages and weekend-wrenching snacks. I love how they keep tools and lunches separate and mess-free. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the new filter's seal and thread it on by hand until snug. Tighten the filter to the recommended amount to ensure a reliable seal without overdoing it. Refit the drain plug and refill the engine with the specified oil grade to the indicated capacity. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, check for leaks, then verify the level and adjust as needed for a clean, confident finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.